Pizzas cooked outside on the barbie is my favourite way to spend a Friday night, and you betcha I do it all on my barbecue. Using the pizza stone accessory, you can convert your barbecue into a pizza oven. So today we are cooking gourmet sausage and caramelised oyster mushroom pizzas. Let's get straight into making our pizzas. The first thing we need to do is prepare some of our ingredients. Here I have some beautiful oyster mushrooms. All that we're doing is coating these with little olive oil and seasoning with salt and pepper. Drizzle that on. What we're going to do is grill these mushrooms first. They'll take on so much beautiful smoky flavours. So that's why I like to pop them on the cooking grill for a couple minutes to caramelise first. And now for the sausages. So here I have some beautiful Italian pork sausages. All that we need to do is take the skin off of the sausages, just slice down with a sharp knife, and then we can peel that meat out. I have already pre-chopped some garlic cloves, but I am going to add in about 5 to 6 sprigs of thyme, and we're going to cook this with our sausages. We'll just peel those leaves off. Our barbecue is preheated, getting a barbecue pan nice and hot. Can't wait to get this sausage sizzling. Now we can add our sausage to the hot pan, and then in goes the garlic and thyme. Give it a quick stir, and what we want to do is let it brown off for about 10 minutes. While the sausages are cooking, we can grill our mushrooms. Just pop them on the cooking grill, cook them for about 4 minutes and turn them halfway through. Look how fantastic these mushies are looking. Those sear marks are amazing. Now we can add our convection tray and trivet to convert the barbecue for indirect cooking, and then on goes our pizza stone. Now we want to preheat our pizza stone for about 20 minutes, just enough time to prepare our pizzas. It's time to shape our pizzas. I have some beautiful homemade pizza dough here. First we'll shape it into a ball, and then we can stretch it into a round rough shape. And then the best part to do here is not use a rolling pin, because that will take out all the air bubbles. What you want to do is try and toss that pizza base, give it a go, do it outside so it doesn't matter if you make a mess. Now that we have shaped our pizzas, I'm going to use the Easy Serve pizza tray. This makes it literally so easy. You can prepare your pizza straight onto these trays and then bake them on the barbecue just like that. I'm going to put a little semolina straight onto the tray. You could use olive oil or even line it with baking paper, and then lay our base straight on. Now it's time for my favourite part, topping the pizzas. I just have some Parmesan cheese here. I'm going to grate it all over the base. Oh, I've put a lot of Parmesan on, but there's no such thing as too much. Now we can pop our sausages on, just sprinkle them all over. You can break them up a little bit. Yum, sausage and cheese, yes please. Even though I've gone a bit OTT with the cheese, I am adding on more cheese. We have some little cherry bocconcini. These balls are going to melt and go golden and gooey all over our pizza. So incredible. Pop them on, and then this is ready to go onto the barbecue. I have a quick tip because I hate cleaning, especially scrubbing. If you just wipe around the edge of your pizza tray, make sure you get rid of any cheese, because that will bake on and be hard to get off the tray. Let's pop our pizza onto the barbecue. It's going to take about 15 minutes to cook. 15 minutes is up and I'm so excited. Let's have a sneak peek. All of these ingredients have transformed on the barbecue. The sausage has gone a little bit caramelized, a little bit crispy. The beautiful thyme garlic is going to be spread throughout the whole pizza. And that bocconcini, yum, it has melted into gooey little pillows. This looks truly incredible. The base is golden and crispy. The Q has done an amazing job. Now we just need to bring it together, finish it off. I've got some chili flakes. Even if you don't like heat, just sprinkle a little bit on. The extra flavour brings it all together. Yum. Just going to throw on some thyme. Sprinkle that all over, and a season with salt and pepper and a little glug of olive oil. Yum, how incredible. And then the last bit is some green stuff, some fresh peppery rocket. We'll pile that into the center. It gives a beautiful pop of color. Now I'm ready to taste this. All right, I'm just kidding. We'll slice into it. Yum, you can hear Ah, crunchy and delicious. That base is yum. All right, I'm going in. So amazing. The Weber Q cooks beautiful pizzas. You have to try them.